Guys, it's Lauren's birthday.
This is my birthday.
It's Lauren's birthday. How old are you? He's turning 50. He's turning 50. It's Lauren's birthday, so we're gonna celebrate his prank birthday. Prank birthday, okay? So we're gonna see, we order food here. So, but anyway, Lauren's birthday is but we do a prank birthday request.
What do you mean?
It's your celebration.
What are you talking about? Yeah.
It's your celebration. Lauren's birthday celebration. So, what can you say about your birthday celebration?
Best day ever. Best birthday ever. Best birthday party ever.
So, let's say guys, hintayin natin yung mga pagkain namin na in-order namin because according to Lauren's birthday celebration. Okay? So, plano to ni Lawrence. So, ano lang ako, gipalo ko lang siya kung ano yung gusto niya. Sabi niya mag-celebrate daw kami na birthday daw niya. Sabihin ko daw sa waiter na birthday niya. But actually guys, this is okay. Okay, so let's celebrate. Ito yung place kung saan kami nag-celebrate sa birthday ni Lawrence. So, this is a Boston Pizza. Merong TV, yan. Galing kami nag-shopping sa ano niya, uniform for school kasi ngayong Tuesday, pasukan na sa school niya. So, I ordered coffee and Lawrence orders Sprite. Okay.
Mom, you have to record them bringing out the cake.
Yeah. Whose idea this one, Lawrence? Your idea?
You took that out. You thought it was a great idea, though. Yeah, you thought it was a great idea.
So, let us see guys kung anong mangyari sa idea namin mamaya if it's turned too good or not good. Okay, so abangan nyo.
Okay guys, hopefully we don't get arrested. Okay.
Lawrence's birthday celebration. I got shrimp and Lawrence got full wrap. He got full wrap and I got shrimp. So I got the shrimp and coffee. Lawrence is hungry. Me shrimp. Then now Lawrence is ordering another meal kasi birthday daw na. Mahirap pala sabihin na mag-birthday siya kasi ang dami palang orderin. Kaya pala sinasabi niya na birthday niya para maka-order siya ng marami. Yan guys. Ang ina ang na-prank. Diba? Waiting for another order.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, what you can see your birthday?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I'm so full.
And then?
I ate so much.
And outside you can dance if you want. But we travel far away, so we need to go Hingo.